Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the file and immediately protecting the original. Duplicate the background layer so you can revert if needed. Next, inspect the Layers panel to see if text is live or rasterized. Live text lets you edit directly with the Type tool. Make note of font family, size, color, and any layer effects because you'll want consistency. Once done, create a new layer for edits and position it above the content. You'll change so blending and effects remain intact. Now handle the core of the change. If the text is live, choose the Type tool and click the text layer to edit. Then tweak kerning, leading, and color in the character panel so it matches. If it's rasterized, remove the text with content-aware fill or clone stamp, then recreate the text on a new type layer, sampling colors and fonts to match. Make sure to apply the original layer styles and use Free Transform to align perspective. This preserves the original look while updating the wording. Finish by deciding whether to keep text editable or rasterize for final export. Save a PSD copy with layers, then export JPG or PNG as required. If edges appear jagged after placement, make sure anti-aliasing is enabled or apply a tiny Gaussian blur and then a gentle unsharp mask to restore crispness. If color or lighting differs, use a clipped adjustment layer or color match and sample from the surrounding area. If something still looks off, revert to your duplicated original.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.